Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to crochet this cute little star here. This is a perfect project for absolute beginners. With simple stitches and clear steps, you'll have your own star ready in the next 2 minutes. So let's get started. All you need for this quick project is some yarn. I'm taking cotton yarn. This is weight 3 lightweight yarn. You can use acrylic yarn also, and you can take any yarn weight, but make sure the hook is compatible with your yarn size. For this yarn I'm taking 2.5 millimeter crochet hook and a scissor. As this is a beginner friendly tutorial, I'm skipping magic circle. So we will start with a simple slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. This end should be towards your right hand side. Hold this end and twist it once and then fold, and then slowly take this working yarn outside. So twist, fold and pull. Once you have your slip knot, make 6 chains. So yarn over, make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After making 6 chains, we will slip stitch inside the first chain we made. So this is the first chain. The V shape you can easily see. So insert your hook in between that here and make a slip stitch. So after slip stitching, you can see a circle formed here, and now we will make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make 14 double crochets inside this circle. This first 3 chain does not count as your first double crochet, so make 14 double crochet inside this magic circle. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the next 2. So this creates 1 double crochet. We will make second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. After making 14 double crochets, we will slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So this is the 3 chain we made at the beginning, and this is the first double crochet. So on top you can see a chain here. So insert your hook there and make a slip stitch. So insert your hook on top of the first double crochet and slip stitch. And now you can pull the tail to close this loop. After that, we will make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, we will skip the first chain. So this V shape you can see, this is the first chain. So this is the second chain. Insert your hook here. So inside the second chain we will make a single crochet. So yarn over and make a single crochet. And into the next chain we will make a half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook in the next chain gap, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. And into the next chain we will make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside the chain gap, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So now we are left with one more stitch. So inside that we will make a triple crochet. To make a triple crochet, we will yarn over twice like this. So 1, 2, 2 times. Insert your hook inside the last chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So this finishes one point of the star. So once you finish this, we will skip 2 chains. I will show you. So this chain and this chain, we will skip these 2 and into the third chain here we will make a slip stitch. So skip these 2 and make a slip stitch. So this completes one point. So to make a second point, we will make again 5 chains. 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, into the second chain. So skip this first chain. Into the second chain, we will make a single crochet. And into the next chain, we will make a half double crochet. Into the next chain, we will make a double crochet. Into the last chain, we will make a triple crochet. So yarn over twice. And then insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. 2, then 2, and then the last 2. So this finishes second point. So after making your second point, we will again skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. Into the third chain here, we will make a slip stitch. I'll show you how to make the third point. Fourth and fifth point you can make on your own. So follow along. Make 5 chains. 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, into the second chain we will make a single crochet. Into the third chain we will make a half double crochet. Into the fourth chain we will make a double crochet, and into the last chain we will make a triple crochet. So after finishing, we will skip these 2 chains, and into the third chain here we will slip stitch. So make 2 more points and I'll meet you at the end of this and show how to make the final finishings. After making the 5th point, we will skip the next 2 stitches, and into here I'll show you. Here we will slip stitch. So insert your hook and slip stitch. After that, we will chain 1 and cut the yarn. Slowly remove the yarn to secure your work. I just need to weave this tail and this. To weave the tail, you can use a tapestry needle or you can do it with your hook. So pass this tail through adjacent loops. And then trim the excess yarn. So follow the same for this one. Weave the tail. So this is how your final finished star will look like. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.